Allô, salut, bienvenue sur la chaîne Parlons Français. Let's speak French GH. Today we are going to learn how to pronounce certain words. Yes, in our previous lesson we learned about the silent letters. So today we are going to look at some sounds. So we have a combination of O and U. Nous avons la combinaison de O et U. So when we combine O and U in French, the sound becomes oo, oo, just like two O's in the word fool, fool. So we get the sound oo here. So anytime you see OU in a particular word in French, do not be confused, especially those from the English background. It's oo. So we have here oo, OU, oo, with an accent. This particular U is different from this. This U without the accent means or, but this particular one with the accent with on top means where. So we have OU, where, it is U. The next one is vous. OU is U. So vous, meaning you. Then we have NOUS, nous. OU is U, so we have nous. Then two, you can add more. You can even have pool, two. So get it in your mind that OU is U. Merci. So we are going to look at another group of sounds. So I hope you are enjoying the lesson. If this is your first time of watching the channel, kindly click on the subscribe button. Thank you. Alright, so this is another sound that we have on board. We have the A or the A with the accent or tremor on top, and it is the A or the A sound pronounced nasally. You're supposed to pronounce these sounds here nasally. So we have EN, EM, AN, AM, and this is the realization of this combination of letters. So this is as we have in the word tan. So the E here is tan. Dan. This is dan. This is enfant. Ambulance. So the first one I'll go through again. Tan, dan, enfant, ambulance. So that is it. Don't be tempted to say enfant. No, it's wherever you see EN, EM, AN, AM, it is pronounced nasally. So it is enfant, tan, dan. So let's hold on for the next batch of sounds in Let's Speak French GH. Thank you. So we are looking at another combination of vowels here. You have O and E. O and E. O and E, the sound they are going to give us is wa. O and E is going to give us, or O and I, as I would say in English, and it's going to give us the sound wa, as we have in chinois, moi, trois, béninois, étoile. So that is what you're supposed to get. That the realization of the sound we get from the combination of O and I, or O et I and moi. So donc nous avons chinois, moi, trois, béninois, étoile. You can have more. You can try your hands and go and look for more. Okay, so let's wait for the last sound of the day as we watch Let's Speak French GH. Merci. So now we have the last sound of the day, and that is going to be a combination between O and L. sound it's going to give us is on. It's also a nasal sound that we have on. So as we have in the word son, région, télévision, ton. So as I said, it's a nasal sound and it's an O with an accent on top, and it's going to give us a nasal sound on in son, région, télévision, and ton. Alright, so this is where time will permit us to learn few sounds in French. These sounds are here to help you read French or speak French or pronounce words correctly in French. This is Let's Speak French GH. Kindly subscribe to the channel and learn more. So today we learned the sound on as we have on the board. We also learned wa as we did. We also learned